So we're now at the install Windows. As we can see, we have Windows Server 2008 R2. We're installing in English, and time and currency format is English. Keyboard input method is in the US. We press next, and we can check what to know before installing Windows. So we have a help and support page. These documents provide, and we can see the preferred depends not only on the clock frequency. The minimum is 1.4 GHz 64-bit processor. We have a 64-bit processor with 2.5. The RAM, the minimum is 512 megs. We have 2 gigs. The maximum is 32 gigabytes, but we don't have that. The motherboard will not support that. This space and other requirements: minimum 32 gigs. We have 1.5 terabytes, and so on. We have the minimum Super VGA or higher resolution monitor. We have a DVI, HDMI, so we are up there. The keyboard and Microsoft mouse, or the compatible pointing device, Internet access that we will install later, and anything else you may need. So before you start setup, we don't have any UPS device, and we don't have any backup since that is a completely new server. We don't have any antivirus. We have the driver since it's installed. We will everything will be done as new, so known issues, copyright, and everything else. So we will close this. We will choose to repair your computer if we have installed a pre-installation and it's not working, but since this is not the case, we will go to install now. By the way, we're using a Dynex keyboard and a trackball mouse. So as we can see, setup is starting right now, and we'll wait until so we can install different installation with the full installation, for the standard, for the server core, for the enterprise, for the data center, and the full installation of everything. So we will choose anyone: web server, Windows server. So we will start the full installation of the standard Windows server. I will accept all the terms. If you need to read them, it's usually what you can expect the system to do, what are you supposed to do with the system, stuff like will you have a license for the program not to make copies, and so on and so forth. So we will choose next. So which type it's upgrade is in case we have another Windows it's running, so we will not. So obviously we will have a custom which install a new copy of Windows. This option will format the drive. Since it's a new drive, we don't care about that. So we can see here you have 1397.3 gigabytes of total size, and also the same free space. So I will choose this location and press next. And right now it will start collecting information, installing Windows. it says that the computer will restart several times during installation. We have the expanding Windows files, and we